Welcome, dear friends. This is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at sample cue card, describe a law on environmental protection. The cues that you have to cover are: what is it, how you first learned about it, who benefits from it, and explain how you feel about this law. Environmental degradation has been a serious issue for the last 5 decades. Governments around the world have introduced various laws for the protection of our ecosystem, such as the Deforestation Act, the ban on plastic carry bags, the Wildlife Protection Act, etc. Here, I would like to talk about the Water Protection Act of India. This law was introduced to stop the contamination of water bodies throughout the country. Due to augmenting industry and the other human activities, water pollution is increasing at an alarming rate. Many industrial plants discharge highly toxic materials into rivers, which are deteriorating the quality of water. As per this law, no one can dispose of any hazardous material into the water beyond the given standard. If anyone is caught offending this rule, that person or organization will be fined and sent to prison for 5 years. I got to know about this law through a video while I was using my social account. Water is one of the most essential substances on earth because all humans, plants, and animals need water for their survival. I must say, there will be no life on earth without water. It was an eye-opener for me as I got to know some crucial facts about water pollution. Now, the enactment of this law will minimize water pollution problems. So, I believe this is a wonderful initiative by the authorities, and it's our responsibility to cooperate with the government by following the guidelines. Now we will look at the follow-up for this cue card. Do you think this law is acceptable to the people? Of course, this law is acceptable to individuals. People are well aware of the environmental problems and their effect on our daily lives. So, the major proportion of the population comply with the guidelines issued by authorities, which significantly helps save environment. Next question is there any situation wherein people may disobey the law? Yes, there are certain situations when individuals don't obey this law. Firstly, people violate the law by dumping various harmful materials such as chemicals, plastic waste, and sewage into rivers and lakes so they can save money. Then, people waste so much water through day-to-day activities, which is one of the key reasons for water degradation. Next question is: what should parents do to educate children about laws? I believe fathers and mothers can impart knowledge to their kids by becoming an example for them. Children imitate what their parents do. So parents should follow all the laws in their daily life. For example, I taught my kids the importance of saving water through my day to day activities, and now they do not like to waste water. What can teachers do to make students obey rules? I feel that teachers can encourage pupils to take part in co curricular activities based on rules and regulations, which will help them acquire knowledge in a more enjoyable way. Then, teachers can also impart education by providing some lessons on obeying laws. Should people be penalized when they violate environmental laws? Yes, definitely. If someone breaks any environmental law, then that person should be penalized by putting them behind the bars. This will set an example for others, and people will be more likely to follow the rules by changing their habits. So, this was the cue card about describe an environmental law. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. If you want more videos like this, please comment us and let us know on which topic we make a new video. We also live on social media network. We live in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Please do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you.